Hey beautiful! So for today's video, we are going to learn how to make a tres leches cake. So I want to learn how to make tres leches. The other day I was really like, oh my gosh, this sounds so good. I hit up people on Facebook and I was like, how much are you selling them? This girl wanted to sell me a pedazo así for $5, and I usually pay like $5-6 for a slice of tres leches. And I was like, you know what? Let me see if I can learn how to make it. I went on Facebook, asked you guys to send me some recipes, and you guys did. So I'm gonna put them to the test and let's see how good they come out. Let's go. Alrighty, let's get into it. We are going to go in with all-purpose baking flour. Now make sure that you guys are measuring everything. I will put it on the screen of how much of what. So I'm just going to add 1.5 cups of the flour. Now we're gonna go in with the baking powder as well, and we're just going to add a little bit of that. And then some sugar, some salt. Oh my gosh, sugar and salt look the same, so be very careful. But we're gonna go in with some salt, and then we're gonna mix the dry ingredients and put that to the side for now. Now we're gonna go in with 5 eggs, and we're gonna separate the yolk from the egg white. Now, if there's an easier way to do this, please let me know. This is the only way I know how. You just crack it and then you peel a little opening and then you go in with a fork and you kind of like just separate it. It's worked for me, but I'm pretty sure there's a freaking hack on how to do it and I just don't know how. Okay, I put it in here because we are going to mix it. 3/4 of sugar. Now we're gonna mix. This was so satisfying. So we're just going to keep mixing until it turns into a very pale yellow. And it looks so tasty, you guys, but don't eat it. Don't eat it. It makes you want to eat it though, but don't eat it. This looks so cool and satisfying. Okay, so we're gonna move this and then we're gonna go in with the egg whites. All right, now I'm gonna go with the egg whites. And we're gonna go in with 1/4 of sugar. And then we're just gonna beat them until they get fluffy. Nice.
Are you making big cake?
Alright, let's see if it's good. Peaks. Okay, that's how we know it's done. Now we are going to move in, mix this with our dry ingredients. First, let's mix it this way. I am going to go in with the whisk, but just to get most of it, like this. That looks so cool. I don't know why. It makes me just want to eat it when it looks like this. Then we're going to go in with a cup of milk. And then we're going to go in with some vanilla. We are going to use 2 teaspoons. 1, 2. Now we're just going to mix. Okay, we're gonna fold it in here and do it in small sections. Got it? So I think this was like the most difficult part for me. I'm not sure why, like my brain was just not wanting to do it. So we're just going to fold it, okay? So you're gonna mix the egg whites in and then just fold it in. Just keep folding and folding and folding. And then it should look something like this. Now we're going to butter our pan. Now I went a little bit overboard with this. I do take some butter out, but we're going to butter our pan really good. So if you do want to flip it out of the pan, it just comes out like butter. But yeah, I did take some out. Don't add too much. Now we're going to go in with the batter and we're just going to pour it ever so nicely. Like, look at that, you guys. Oh, and the smell, it was so good. So we're just going to pour in the whole batter. All right, now since that's done, I'm just going to attempt to pop any of the air bubbles that I have. You see, popping. Now we are going to put it in the oven at 350 for 30 minutes. So while that is cooking, we are going to make the milk. So we're gonna go in with our heavy whipped cream, 1 can of evaporated milk. All of this just smelled so good, you guys, and this is the reason why it's named tres leches. Now we're gonna go in with 1 can of condensed milk. Use the Leches kind because it's gonna taste even better. Now I'm gonna go in with 1 tablespoon of the vanilla blend. It smells delicious, I'm telling you. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. right, I'm gonna let this cool in the fridge. All right, the cake is done. We're gonna let it chill for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you are going to poke a bunch of holes with the fork in the cake so that the milk can seep into it. Now we're going to add the mixture that we just made and just watch it do its thing. I don't know what to say, but I just added it all over and then I cover it with some saran wrap. Is that what it's called? I think it's called that. And we're gonna let it chill overnight. I know, when I first made it, I was like, wait, what? But it makes sense so that everything tastes a lot better, and it does taste a lot better. So we're gonna let it chill. Alrighty, it's the next day. Now we're gonna go in with 2 cups of heavy whipped cream. You don't have to go in with 2 cups. You can go in with half of this so that you don't have so much left over. But I went in with 2 cups, then went in with some sugar. The sugar all depends on how sweet you want it. And then you're just going to just mix that until it becomes whipping cream. I've never made my own whipping cream before. This is the first for me. I was mind blown. Look how nice that looks, you guys. Look. Oh, this is the first time I've made my own whipping cream. So here is the cake. We let it sit overnight, which it looks so good, you guys.
Thank you.
Oh, it smells amazing. And now what we've all been waiting for, we are going to add the whipping cream. Now I've made this recipe 3 times. So I was mixing footage together of like, okay, this angle looked better, this angle looked better. So if you guys seen that I was wearing 2 different shirts, that is why. But yeah, so we're just going to add the strawberries on top. This tasted so good, you guys, and I'm going to toot my own horn because it really was so delicious. I will link the recipes that I was following down below. Thank you guys so much for sharing them with me and telling me, hey, you gotta watch this one. This one will tell you how to make it. It's so delicious. So I added strawberries and I added peaches on this one. So delicious. The combination was so freaking good, you guys, and the glazed made it even, like, you know, more fancy with it. It was really good. So for the next cake, I made it with strawberry and pineapple. I love pineapple, so you can't go wrong with pineapple. I found this at the dollar store, so I wanted to use it, and your girl failed. Okay, I only got to like a cute little circle and I couldn't do it. I asked Babe to help me and he went and put his freaking name, so I had to go over it, and then I just went in with a little spatula and kind of just smoothed everything out. So I gotta watch some videos on piping because your girl couldn't do it right. So this is how this one looks, and the next couple clips I'm going to show you my baby's reactions. Is it good? Is it? Are you lying? Are you lying?
Try it.
Is it good? He said try it. Oh, big ol' bite. You're struggling. It's okay. How's it taste? Is it really good?
It's good.
Yeah? Okay, now Giovanni's turn to try it.
It's good.
Is it good though, for real?
Yeah.
Good. I'm pretty sure by later tonight, boom, this is all gonna be gone. Like, this is already just like us. We still got Andres, Angelica, me brother, me, Rudy, me.
I like it. It tastes like the whole thing.
The tres leches?
Yeah.
I get it. You didn't think it was gonna really taste like it?
Huh?
You didn't think it was gonna taste like tres leches? Is it good?
A 10.
A 10 out of 10? Ah! Alright, Hecka's going to try it. She wanted that size, y'all, so don't think I gave her a little bit.
Where'd you get the cream from?
I made it.
Oh yeah.
Is it good?
Yeah.
So, out of a 10, what is it?
10.
Yeah?
Yeah, legit a 20. But it tastes just like the normal wine. Actually good.
Yeah, this is not gonna last the rest of the night. It's already late. So this is all mine right there. That's y'all's. Look, guys, my brother liked it. Mine liked it. Hold on. Boom, y'all. So one more piece. It's Babe's, but damn. So I think it was a success.
That one TikTok.
So that is everyone's reaction. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I do post a new video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!